In a small town nestled between rolling hills and whispering woods, there existed an old wooden board, known to all as the message board. Strangely enough, the board had been there longer than anyone could remember, propped against the wall of Maggie's cafe, a cozy place filled with the aroma of freshly brewed coffee and warm pastries. Every day, as the sun rose, townsfolk would stroll by Maggie's, glancing at the message board. It became a beloved ritual. People left notes of all sorts, announcements of newborns, letters seeking lost pets, invitations to impromptu gatherings. However, what made this board truly unique were the responses that appeared. Overnight, no one knew how they got there or who wrote them. Take for instance old Tom's note. Known for his grumpy demeanor and solitary ways, Tom was desperately seeking his missing dog. He left a rather curt message on the board. Lost dog, respondee found. By next morning, not only was there a detailed map pinned right below his note showing where Rusty was last seen, but also a small note saying, "He misses your laughter. Try smiling when you call out for him." Skeptical yet desperate, Tom tried. Lo and behold, Rusty came bounding out from behind the very bush marked on the map. No one saw who had drawn the map or written that heartfelt advice. Then there was young Ellie, a shy girl who dreamed of becoming a dancer, but never dared to speak of it aloud. One evening, under a cloak of stars, she penned her secret wish on a scrap of paper and tucked it away on the message board. "I wish I could dance." The next day, alongside her scribbled dream, someone had attached an old flyer about Rosalie, once a famed ballerina now teaching dance in their very town. Attached was a simple line, "Why not start today?" Inspired and touched by this mysterious encouragement, Ellie mustered her courage and joined Rosalie's class. She blossomed into a graceful dancer whose performances captivated hearts all over town. As these responses accumulated over time, speculations about their origins grew wild. Some believed it was Maggie herself. Others thought perhaps it was some kind-hearted ghost or magical entity residing within the cafe's old walls. But regardless of who or what it was, be it magic or simple human kindness, it brought people together. One especially chilly winter evening, as snowflakes danced through the air like tiny swans. Jack, who had recently moved to town following a string of misfortunes, including losing his job and wife leaving him with two small kids looking up to him for strength and solace, wrote despairingly, "What am I supposed to do now?" By sunrise, when Jack returned to pull down what he felt, was an embarrassing show of weakness before many could read it. He found an envelope taped beneath his query containing 3 job offers from different townfolks, and tickets to tonight's local Christmas play for him and his children, along with a sweet note. "You're stronger than you think," touched beyond words at this unseen support, guiding everyone in times of need, or just gently pushing them towards realizing their dreams. Jack felt hope rekindling in his heart. The magic of the message board did more than provide answers. It wove threads of connection throughout everyone in town. It taught them about kindness, hidden in unexpected places, and about invisible hands that hold us up when we falter. And so life went on in this quaint little place between hills and woods where every message left. Any night brought unforeseen blessings by dawn, rendering the ordinary truly extraordinary in tales from the in-between.